what it's like to be a Buddhist. For those who like to try, I would like to know the basics of being a Buddhist and why it's trending among many celebrity and world leaders. So here are the few basics of Buddhism. First, Buddhism is all about reasoning and cause and effect, or otherwise known as karma. With action comes reaction, which apply to everything in this world. Nothing can happen without a cause. Even though some cause we are unable to see, but there always a cause. And the second thing that Buddha teach is the middle way, or to apply your life in moderation, from your mindset to the way you think, act, or speak is all in moderation. So now once we get the basic of the way, let's talk about what you need to do to become Buddhist. There are three things that you could do. First is to be kind to others and giving or sacrifice that you don't need so that it can fulfill others. From giving food, shelter to giving Dhamma that could improve people's lives. The second thing is the precepts, a guidelines that prevent you from not doing bad things like cheat, steal, lies, or intoxicate yourself. The precept was to prevent you from harming yourself and others. And finally, the third thing that you could do to be a Buddhist is to practice meditation, that to keep your mind calm and in peace. So all in all, if you keep up these three, not only you be Buddhist, but you will see the improve in yourself, that your life is more peaceful and happy.